Question number 14 deals with rise of a liquid in a tube. That is, if you have a container and you have a tube of radius r, small r, it is placed in a liquid of density rho. Surface tension of the liquid is S. Theta is angle of contact. Then the liquid will rise above this level. The phenomena, as we have discussed in the previous question, if you have a cold drink and you put a straw in the cold drink rises above the normal level, above certain level. This rise of liquid H is a rise of liquid in a capillary. We want to prove 2s cos theta by r rho g. This is what we want to prove. Before we do this one, we want to find out pressure at various points. Let this point be A, this be B, this point be C, and this point be D. We want to find out pressure at these points. Pressure at A, yes, is 1 atmosphere. Why? Because this point is open to atmosphere. That is, the pressure at A is 1 atmosphere. D, this is also open to atmosphere. So pressure at D is also 1 atmosphere. Pressure at same level remains the same. So pressure at C is also 1 atmosphere. Step 1. Whenever you have a curved surface, this is a curved surface, there is a pressure difference delta P. As covered in question number 11, if you have a curved surface, pressure difference on the two sides delta P is equal to what? Due to single layer, it is 2s. By what? By r. R in that case was radius of curvature, capital R. So it is 2s by capital R. It is not small r. Small r is the radius of the pipe, that is the straw, and this is the radius of curvature, capital R. So delta P is equal to 2s by R. Pressure is more on concave side. A, this is concave side. Pressure is more on concave side. So pressure at A is more than pressure at B, it is 2s by R. So pressure at B is equal to what? PA minus 2s by R. This is your step number 1. Step 2. As you move down, pressure increases. So pressure at B, as you move down, pressure on C will be more because of this column height h. Pressure at C is more than pressure at B by what amount? H rho g. From this equation, pressure at B is what? Pressure at C minus H rho g. From these two equations, from equation number 1, equation number 2, from equation 1 and 2, what you get is PB is equal to PA minus 2s by r. This is Pb. From second equation, Pb is what? Pb is Pc minus h rho g. What was the value of Pa? 1 atmosphere. This is 1 atmosphere. What is the value of Pc? It is also 1 atmosphere. So these two are cancelled. What you get is 2s by r is equal to h rho g, or h is equal to what? H is equal to 2s over r rho g. Time with you is 4 minutes to write this. Now, what you have proved in the last step is H is equal to 2s by r rho g. But here the formula is 2s cos theta by r rho g. So 2s rho g is there. We need to find out capital R. Capital R and small r relationship. We can redraw this part. I will redraw this. This is the radius of curvature capital R. Pipe, the radius is small r. If you draw a tangent, angle of contact, theta, whatever is angle between two lines, same as the angle between their perpendiculars. So perpendicular to this line is this r, perpendicular to this line is small r. So whatever is angle between two lines, same as the angle between their perpendiculars. So this angle is theta. So what is the relationship? Small r and capital R. Small r by capital R is equal to cos theta, or capital R is equal to r by cos theta. Again, move to the same. 2s. We don't want to write capital R. We don't want to write a radius of a curvature. We want to replace it by small r. So replace this by small r. It is r by cos theta rho g. So what you get is 2s cos theta by r rho g. So height of this liquid will rise above the surrounding level. Formula is 2s cos theta by r rho g. Time with you is 2 minutes to write the same. Last part of this question, discussion. Discussion for this formula. First part, point. H is proportional to S. That is, if surface tension is more, height is also more. For a boiling water, S is a 0. If S is 0, this whole expression becomes a 0. So height is also 0. That means what? If you place this straw in a boiling water, this water won't rise above this because surface tension is 0. 1. 2. H is proportional to cos theta. If theta is, yes, if theta H is positive, if cos theta is positive, that means what? H is positive if theta lies between 0 to 90. Cos 0, 1. Cos 45, positive. So, liquid will rise above this level if theta lies between 0 to 90. H is negative if theta is more than 90 but less than 180. That means what? For mercury, yes, if you place a straw in mercury, then mercury won't rise above this level, but it will fall, it will dip. H is negative. H is 0 if theta is equal to 90 degree. If theta is 90 degree, cos 90 is what? 0. So H will be 0. 3. H is inversely proportional to radius of capillary tube. If the straw is thin, R is less, height will be more. If it is a thick straw, that is for a juice, thick straw, R is more, H will be less. So H is inversely proportional to R. Fourth, H is inversely proportional to density. If the density of the liquid is high, height of the liquid above the surrounding, that is rise of the liquid will be less. Time with you is 3 minutes to complete it.